Today we are diving into the exciting world of NFTs and Twitter. If you are an NFT enthusiast looking to take your Twitter game to the next level, you have come to the right place. In this video, we will share 7 proven tips to help you grow your NFT Twitter handle and connect with the awesome NFT community. So let's get started. Number 1. First things first, make sure your Twitter profile stands out. Choose a catchy and relevant username that reflects your NFT interests. Craft a compelling bio that explains who you are and what you do in the NFT space. Don't forget to add an eye-catching profile picture and a striking header image that showcases your unique style. Tip number 2. Engage with NFT community. Engagement is key to success on Twitter. Be active and join conversation within the NFT community. Like, retweet, and reply to tweets from other NFT enthusiasts, artists, and collectors. By engaging genuinely, you will build meaningful connections that can lead to more followers and exposure for your NFT projects. Tip number 3. Content is king. Share valuable and informative content about NFTs. You can create threads discussing your favorite NFT projects, explain the basics of NFTs for newcomers, or even showcase NFT art you find inspiring. Quality content will attract followers and establish you as a thought leader in the NFT Twitter world. Tip number 4. Keep an eye on trending hashtags in the NFT community. By using popular and relevant hashtags in your tweets, you increase the visibility of your content to a broader audience. Tip 5. Collaboration is a fantastic way to expand your reach in the NFT space. Connect with influential NFT creators or collectors and consider collaborating on projects, interviews, or co-hosting Twitter spaces. These collaborations can introduce your handle to a new audience and boost your credibility within the community. Tip number 6. Everybody loves free stuff. Hosting NFT giveaways is an excellent way to attract new followers and reward your existing ones. Whether it's rare NFTs, exclusive artwork, or even cryptocurrency, giveaways generate excitement and engagement around your Twitter handle. Tip number 7. Last but not least, consistency is the key to long-term growth. Post regularly, engage with your followers consistently, and stay true to your unique NFT niche. Building a dedicated following takes time and effort, but with persistence, you will see NFT Twitter handle thrive.